Hi, good evening and welcome back to Mike Makes It. Tonight, directly from Banggood, we've got 5 different LED, plug-in LED, USB light sources. Useful if you've got a power pack, backlit for your computer, you know, just to light the desk up a little bit. I use one in my Defender just as a pool light for inside the cab, so if you drop something on the floor, you've got half a chance of finding it. We'll open them all up. Now, unless I go look at the spec, I'm not going to be able to see which one does what, but we can work that out together. Some are dimmable, some aren't. Let's just get them out the bag. But I try to go for something that's all different. We'll probably be disappointed, but let's have a look. And they're not a lot of money. I'll put all the links to these devices in the comments, okay, so you can find them if you wish, and all the prices will be on there. But there's number one. Some of these you can, or certainly the one in the truck, you can plug any way round you like. Let's just see if this power pack's gonna let us switch it on. That's just blinded me. So touch on, touch off. Let's see, some of these do dim, I believe, but that looks as if it's just literally touch on, touch off. So that's a nice touch. The one in the truck, on all the time. So let's pop that one out. It's got a little switch on the side, so yeah, it might be super duper. Looks as if this is double-sided, so that could go either way round in the power pack. Blue lights. Press the button. These are colour changing. I don't want to flood the camera out. That's sort of like a yellowy green. Press again, purple, blue, red, that's very red, green, blue. I'm just going to hold the button on the side to see if it'll change, but no, that's multicolored to suit your mood. So yeah, you just toddle through the different color range there. So that's that one. What we got here looks like another touch one. Yeah, keep your finger on it, see if it'll dim. I'm sure one of there we go. I knew one of them dimmed down. Touch it again, it comes up to full brightness. Touch off, touch on, hold, dims, maximum brightness. That one is reversible also, and you can touch the back and it comes on. That gives you an impression of the light there. I think the camera's going to go berserk on that. But I'm just seeing if we can get it to dim. It is, there you go. Yeah, it does come across on the camera, okay. So that's number 3. Number 4, still out of there, snap that little bit off there, there we go. Yeah, that's another different style. It looks as if it's possibly touch again, on and off. Let's just keep your finger on it, see what happens. Nothing. So that looks, and yeah, there's nothing clever going on there. There's just a couple of resistors. So that's on or off. Off when you pull it out. There's no control on that one. This one comes in like a USB pen. Bit of semiconductor Ujima flip going on in there, so let's plug him in. Looks like I was going to say switch on the back, but I don't think so. Oh, you know what it is, it's capacitive sensing one. Yeah, there you go, Mike's worked it out. Just get your finger close to it, or thumb, comes on. Not actually making physical contact there. and it's coming on and off. That's nice. I wonder if it's clever enough to dim. Just keep your thumb on it. Nope, it doesn't dim, but I like that. On and off. Once I worked it out, quite happy about that. So there's your 5 different ones. It was literally a 5-minute video. I'll put all the links to these components on Banggood. But yeah, you got dimmable one, RGB style lamp, although you don't get every colour in the spectrum. Predominantly you get red, green, blue, white. Yeah, if you want a quick light source, you know, if you go camping, stuff like that, power pack, bop, you got light. You can get clever with a touch on, touch off, like so. Some of them are double-sided, as I explained. That one looks like that one isn't. That one you can't reverse because it's a standard USB type plug. The problem in the truck, if I was using that, it's a 50-50 chance whether the light is going to be shining up out of the cigarette lighter or down, because I can't turn him round. Now I'd want it shining down, so that might have been an issue in the truck, but all these others, I think I'm going to be using those. I'll try them in the truck because I like the on-off function. But yeah, all the links in there. I won't drag the video out. If you need them, Banggood have got them. I expect Amazon have as well, but Banggood seem to be coming through with the goods quite quickly now from China, but they have started putting a postal charge on. Granted, it's only like £1.50, but that's something to factor in. Right, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you thought it was interesting to you or useful. Subscribe if you wish. Thanks for watching again.